Welcome back, folks.
Today, we're diving into the world of winter sports with a product that's revolutionizing the way skiers and snowboarders hit the slopes. Get ready to glide effortlessly down the mountain with the best ski and snowboard wax on the market, the Super Hot Sauce All Temp Ski and Snowboard Wax.
Hey there, snow enthusiasts. Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and in-depth analysis of the latest and greatest products. And today, we've got something special for all you shredders out there. Introducing the Super Hot Sauce Ski and Snowboard Wax. This isn't just your average wax, it's a game changer. Whether you're hitting the powder or carving up the groomers, this wax has got you covered. Now, let's talk about what sets the Super Hot Sauce apart from the rest. First off, it's all about performance.
This wax is specially formulated to work in all snow and weather conditions, giving you unparalleled control and speed on the slopes. And here's the best part: you can apply it however you like. Whether you prefer the traditional iron-on method or a quick rub-on application, the Super Hot Sauce delivers premium results every time. But what really sets this wax apart is its innovative formula. By changing the structure of the water in the snow, the Super Hot Sauce gives you that extra edge you need to dominate the mountain.
Plus, it's designed to last longer than the competition, so you can spend less time waxing and more time shredding. So there you have it, folks, the Super Hot Sauce All Temp Ski and Snowboard Wax.
Whether you're a seasoned pro or hitting the slopes for the first time, this wax is a game changer.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.
Stay safe out there, and happy shredding.